Running in the check, that's what I like. Get them on sight all night. Scared in the dark, baby boy, get a night light. Knock it out the park, but I'm gonna go night. Cause it ain't no thing. I show them what I got, and I ain't got no shame. You say that you remember, I don't know your name. Hey, you know, woman, look at me, let you run alone. I know you jealous, just let it go. I'm incredible, hell, I thought you know. And I'm just getting started. I'm so far in on my list. You a starving artist. I'm in the club with the bosses. And I'm a check, that's what I like. Where I'm going, I'm behind the phone. Ain't laying low. That's what I like. That's what I like. It's all that I push to the Sodor. You can't ignore. My name's Callin, I'm here to explore with a candy apple red glow and a whistle so sore. My crew's got the juice, ready to soar. Thomas is coming #1 in the race, leaving behind the trail of spectral grace. First, he's got the rhythm, we're tighter than lace. And Kate, as she's straight, feeling the rest in his face. Through the misty night, we ride side by side. Our engines roar like a fiery tide. The track's so pure, we know every twist and turn. Our legend burns, it's gonna churn and churn.
All engines go as we cut through the night. We're the specters that bring the fright. Percy, Kane, Ania, and I. Diesel's the might. Callin and Sandy, we're ready to ignite. Down the hills, around the bend, we're never out of sight. All engines go, we're the ghosts that unite.
Hear the mournful call of the iron beast. Through the shadows where the phantoms are feast. Nia's got the rhythm, strumming her metal strings. Diesel's not alone, we're the voice that's savory and singing. They're the twins of the night, bending the tracks with all their might. Where the moons glow, cast eerie light. We're the ones that bring the ghostly black through the tunnels, wherever the whispers grow. With the engines that the darkness know. Our story's never told, but it's time to show. We're the heroes of the tracks below.
All engines go as we play through the night. Our spirits grow, our haunting delight. Ania and I, so go, Callin and Sandy, we're ready to fight. Down the hills, around the bend, we're never out of sight. All engines go, we're the specters of the low.
In the graveyard of the lost we do glide, where the rusted engines lay in stride. With the legends, we're not just a guide. Our hearts of gold, they never subside. We spit fire, no need for coal. Our power's pure, it's uncontrolled. The echoes of our engines, they never grow old. We're the kings of the rail, we're the ones that pull. The metal beasts, we're the ones to hail. Southern fried rap, it's our tale. We're the ghosts that set the night's gale. And when the sun rises, we don't fail.
All engines go as we play in the night. Our presence grows, our fear falls sight. See Kane, Ania, and I. So the beast, Callin and Sandy,